All right, now in this example, we're given the following voting preference chart for a theater society that's trying to decide whether to perform a musical, comedy, or drama, abbreviated with the first letters of such. And they put their first, second, and third preferences in this order, and we list the number of people who chose these exact arrangements of preferences here. Now, given all this, we're asked to see which one wins, or which play is selected, using the plurality with elimination method, which sounds fancy, but it's really not. All we're going to do is we're going to see, first of all, if any of the first choice options have a majority, where a majority is 51% or above, or just above 50%. And if not, well, we'll take it from there. So first of all, let's see if any of these first choices have a majority. So first choice for M, let's tally up how many people chose M. We've got 10 here and 2 over here for 12. Let's see how many people chose drama. Well, we've got 6 here and 2 here for 8. Let's see how many people chose comedy. Well, we've got 6 here and 4 here for 10. So we just need to see if anyone here has a majority. Well, if anyone's going to have a majority, it's the M right here of 12, because that's the plurality. That's the most votes. But is it most of the votes? Let's see. Well, we've got 12, and we need to divide that by all the votes in total. So all the votes in total is just these added up. That's 12 plus 8 plus 10 for 30, and I'll put that down there. And let me check this in the calculator and see what I get. 12 divided by 30. Well, that is exactly equal to 0.4, which is the same thing as 40%, which is not a majority. It may be a plurality, but it's not a majority, so we're not done. If this was 51% or just above 50%, we would be done, musical would win. But it did not have the majority. So what we do is we eliminate the minority. We eliminate the fewest. The fewest is the drama. So everywhere I see drama, we're taking it out entirely. Okay? And so now that we've done that, we're going to look at this chart again. But what happens, basically, is that everywhere D is deleted, the thing below it shifts up. So, for example, here, these people here put drama as their first choice, then a comedy, and then musical. But with drama eliminated, they are still saying that they prefer a comedy to a musical. So essentially it's like these bump up. Comedy goes here, musical goes here. Here the drama slash, so the musical bumps up. And here drama slash, so the musical bumps up here, and the comedy bumps up here. And here the comedy bumps up. So it's like you eliminated everything up and it all just scoots up like that. Now that we've done that, we just do the same thing again. We look at the first place options and see how many there are. So there's no more dramas, so let's look at comedies and musicals. Okay, so, and there's only 2 choices now, so whichever one has the plurality is going to win. So for musical, we've got 10 people plus 2 people plus 2 people, so that's 14. Now for comedy, we've got 6 plus 6, remember, because these moved up, plus 4, and that's it. And so that's 12 plus 4 for 16. And so, when there's only 2 options left, comedy wins with 16 of the votes. So if you had more options, like say musical, comedy, drama, thriller, horror, etc., you would keep doing this. You would check if there's a majority. If not, eliminate the fewest, bump everyone up. Then you do the first row again, check if there's a majority. If not, delete the fewest, bump them all up, rinse and repeat. However, in this case, after doing it just once, there were only 2 options left. So when that happens, 16 is the majority because there's only 2. It's more than half the votes. And so, the comedy wins using plurality with elimination, and that is this example.